Hey Flip Nation, so this is another Airbnb I'm putting back together. This one here is in Scottsdale over by the Fashion Mall, the Greenbelt Spring Training. And I had it as a rental, and I decided to turn it into an Airbnb after the tenant's lease was up. I bought it as a rental, so she was already in there. I just had to wait till her lease expired. And I was getting $1,200. Going rents are about $1,600, so she was kind of grandfathered in. But now I'm gonna be getting anywhere from $160 to $180 a night because it is in Scottsdale. Prime location, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Awesome, so come on in the kitchen. So I repurposed, saved the cabinets. I had my cabinet painter come in and take down the faces and take them into the shop and spray them. And then he did the boxes while they were here. Put the new black handles on. Countertops, we're gonna do the epoxy. New sink, all new lighting, all new flooring throughout. New appliances. So the budget on this one is $15,000. Pretty much redoing the whole interior. It's about 1,100 square feet. All new appliances, new fixtures, new flooring, new paint, new drapes. And then that does include my budget for the furniture and everything in the 15. So I think we'll do really well on this one.